Hello, Fox. In this class, we will talk about how to use a scale body. So, in my scenario, there has a cube. So, if I go into scale body, and then the default is uniform. Let's first see how to use a uniform. So, firstly, in body, you need to select this body, and you need to give a specified point, right? So in here, you found you cannot capture one point of this object. Don't worry, you have this drop-down menu and then you click this one. So at this moment, you could just capture one point of this cube, right? And you need selected one nth point. And in the scale factors, let's just give the numbers that we want to give to this cube. So let's just tap 2 and drop down menu, and you're gonna show the results to check how it looks like after you hit it apply. So it's pretty much good. So let's just hit it apply, right? And let's check the second one, asymmetric scale. So if you select this, you still need to select this body, and you need to give us okay, so it's automatically have the specified vectors in this point or specified axis through point in here. For example, let's change this to another one. So if I hit it here, so what's going to happen? So in the scale factors, along axis, let's hit it 2. And all the directions, let's just keep 1. So you're going to show the results like, okay, along axis, because the specified vectors, I do these kind of directions. And along axis I change to 2. So that means in this axis I extended double size, right? So if I in here I'm changed to another direction, see if we change to this directions, how it looks. Is in this direction it's gonna increase double size, right? And if I in other directions I'm changed to 2. So and in alongside I'm change to 4. What's gonna happen? So in specified vectors, for example, the specific vectors in here, these directions, we will have a 4 times of original. And in other direction is just to have a double size of the existed directions, right? So how it looks like, right? Okay, I'm changed to general. The general, you still need to select the body, and in skill CSYS, I would like to give a specific CSYS to this kind of a plane, datum coordinate systems. And in skill factors, we have several options in here. So if I change to X directions into 2, and Y directions into 4, Z directions, I give you 6. So how it looks like. Okay, so X directions is double size, Y direction is 4 times, and Z direction is 6 times. Okay, let's just hit it apply. Okay, guys, today about scale body, we just introduced here. So if you have any question, just leave a comment to me. And if you like my video, just could subscribe to my channel. See you in next class. Bye.